Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name is Tucker, and I am your host. And I'm tired as my God. I got work tomorrow, and I got to get up early. But I wanted to make this video because I want to show. I don't know how to say this, but I like showing my perseverance and enthusiasm, motivation, giving you guys, when I hear the information and I have the time, to give it to you as fast as I can, and fully transparent as best to my ability. So with that being said, we'll be talking about AMC today and how basically it's another way of just saying how the Wyckoff graph is working, but in an options way to bring the stock down. Everyone thinks AMC is going to go up right now, but the way that the graph's going, if you play it out last week, 1 month ago, 3 months ago, and if you look at any of the graphs that I've been talking non-stop about literally almost every day to you guys, I really hope you're taking advantage of it, because it's been a huge stress reliever for me, because I know that every time the composite man jumps in and pushes it down to make sure it follows the way it's supposed to play out until the stars align all right, which that doesn't happen, but pretty much works out right, and then it goes either what way it wants to, up or down, that's based off of lots of variables, shorting, long terms, things that are out of our control, institutional investing. Anyways, basically today, AMC stock reached $61.88. It was up 2%. It was perfect. It's been performing really well lately. In the last week, it was up 38%. That's huge. And then over the past 3 months, AMC stock's up literally over 350%. Crazy numbers, but are they realistic numbers? I mean, come on, let's throw out some variables that would make me think. This is how I'm thinking. I'm thinking COVID's being over. It's not over, but it's somewhat opening. People are very eager to go out. In fact, people are going out everywhere. I work in a restaurant, so I see people. Well, I don't see them, but I hear about them all the time, coming non-stop, because I'm the one that's cleaning their dishes. But that tells me that people are eager to go out. They're eager to spend money, and AMC stock has been on a short squeeze from $11 all the way up to $62. It's been on this squeezing whatever graph. I wish I was paying attention to it long ago, but I didn't have the interest. I was focused on other stocks, like many other people do. But the options that seem to be common among many investors is called, you can Google this, the bear put spread. So you can Google bear put spread, and that is a certain type of call option strategy that hedge funds are using against inexperienced retail investors. And this is how they're doing it. They already are, and they're putting out call options for 100 AMC, $100 in, on Monday, or AMC, $110 on, next week or something like that, or AMC, $85 sometime next week, or if it's next week or if it's further down the line. But the thing that's catching the people is that if you're to buy a call option, say at $62, the price you have to pay per the option is like $3 or $4 to do that contract. I'm not explaining. I know I'm screwing up right now on my lingo with the options for those options enthusiasts here listening. I have not, so obviously not, because I'm not doing an okay job saying this, but I could do a better job. You'll see these $80 to $100 plus call options for 11 cents, 10 cents, like, I don't know, 12 cents, like ridiculously cheap. And that's to get you to buy in on that option, because that's what's going to happen, because you hear that from all this noise around you, from either the wrong YouTubers or not listening to the right YouTubers or the right people, or yourself, or listening to me and what I've been trying to say. And I am a beginner, I'm not a pro, but I do a hell of a lot of research, that's for sure. And I put as much time as I do in working into this. And so I know you guys know that, because you're still with me, and I love you guys for that. And so the odds of AMC being $100 in the next few days is just really slim. That's my opinion. Your opinion, you're entitled to. But let's hope AMC can stay above $58. Institutions are using the credit spread strategy, so you can Google that too. Credit. I can't even talk anymore. Credit spread strategy. What a tongue twister. And see what that is and see what it has to talk about. The person that I get my information from, honestly, this wasn't the most informative video, and I know that on purpose, because there's not much to talk about, because where we are in the schematics of it. I'll give you one stock to think about looking up. This is an example of an accumulation. This is me ADD going on a whole nother topic. I wanted to finish the other one first and show you this. This is the same thing I keep showing you guys over and over, and hopefully you printed it out by now. But this is where we are in the end, alright? At the end, it goes up a little bit, and then it goes down, and then it goes back up a little bit more, but not as high as before, and then down. And that's where I think we'll see, this possibly panning out to, I don't know, this would be down in like $50 or $40. region. This is the support line right here, I think. Where is it? Yeah, right here. So if we're right here, and this is pretty much the support line is between $40 and $60. That's this range probably, and then or maybe this range down to here and up. 60 being the ceiling. Or up here. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the ceiling up here. This is the resistance. So it bounces off the top and then it goes back down. It's like a ping pong ball. You look at this more and more and more, it'll make sense. Trust me. You have to believe me. Love you guys. Have a great night. Thank you for watching Talk Notes on YouTube. Check me out on Instagram. Don't forget, because I have those drops about other things. You don't want to forget those or miss out on that information, because I don't have the time to do it on a YouTube. It takes up too much time. If I can just get one message out. So, hope you guys are asleep, and I'm about to crash. So good night. Late.